Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas.
Today we have an update on TCS. Our analyst maintains buy on TCS with a price target of Rs 5,230. As the company is well placed to deliver better performance in FY25 with the deal pipeline at all-time high levels and being broad-based across industries and geographies. Further, with Trump's re-election, the implementation of his proposal to cut the corporate tax rate from 21% to 15% is likely to ease budgetary pressure for US enterprise and businesses, which augurs well for Indian IT service companies, supporting the growth recovery narrative for Indian IT sector, including TCS for second half of FY25 and FY26. At current market price, the stock trades at 29.8 times FY25, 26 times FY26 and 24 times FY27 estimated EPS. Next, we cover Bank of Baroda. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Bank of Baroda with a price target of Rs 310. The bank is taking continuous efforts to improve operating metrics, and asset quality front is also holding up well, leading to lower credit cost, although with some volatility. We believe the bank is likely to sustain ROA over 1% in the near to medium term. Reasonable valuation, stable outlook, and a strong balance sheet drives our positive stance. At the current market price, the stock currently trades at 1 times its FY25 and 0.9 times its FY26 book value estimate. The stock has outperformed the broader indices in last 12 months.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.